Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 Buick Enclave finished here in satin steel metallic. This is the premium model. All-wheel drive, as you can see. 3.6 liter V6, 9-speed automatic. Now, if you don't understand how Buick specs their cars, the interior colors are packages, so to speak. So this one is the Sun in Sights package. This is the 20-inch polished wheels, the dual moonroof, power front and fixed rear, and the Buick infotainment system with navigation. So they kind of have packages, and certain colors go with certain packages. It's pretty cool. Satin steel metallic was an optional color for $495, which is not bad at all. Very, very good design in the rear. This is where your tow package would be if your Enclave is equipped with it. Of course, based on the same platform as the Chevy Traverse, the Enclave is the more luxurious version. Let's go ahead and take a look at the design. Actually, it does look really, really good. Very, very nice flowing body lines. Especially if you look, this one crease develops here, goes behind the mirror, and then goes right back up. It's like a flowing emotion line. I forget what they exactly call it, but you sit there and look, and it literally follows the design of the car. It's really, really pretty neat in person to see. Do like these functional heat extractors. That's pretty sad when a Buick Enclave has functional heat vents and your Mustang doesn't. Nice LED turn signals right here. Again, very, very nice design. You can see from straight on, it's not wicked bright, but where it's really bright is on the sides. So people in the front, they got another turn signal. This is, if you're coming up to the car at an angle, you can see that it will be turning left. Let's go ahead and check out the back seat area. Again, very similar to the Traverse. This is a really, really nice grayish blue interior color. What is it called? Dark galvanized with ebony accents. There's your ebony. Bose sound system. Here is your kick plate, which is wet. So I'm gonna take these off actually, so they don't ruin it. Keep those right there. That feels terrible. Let's see, do these sides have them? Nope. So I want to take them off, that way it doesn't just sit there with moisture underneath them. But yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead, take it out on the road. Interior is very, very swoopy. It's totally different than the Traverse. Very, very kind of driver focused. Everything's kind of angled towards you. And I like that a lot. When you put it in low mode, you do have some paddle shifters behind the wheel. But what I'll be doing is I'll go in drive. I'll be going in drive for most of it. Let the 9-speed do its thing. And then once we get to the handling section, I'll go ahead, I'll bump it into low, play with the paddle shifters a little bit. See, this is what I was talking about, where I'm going left. These guys will see that turn signal a lot better than somebody facing the front of the Enclave. That 3.6 is a fantastic motor. So as you can see, the paddle shifters, they're more for engine braking. They don't exist as a sport mode, so to speak. I mean, you can use them for it, but it doesn't really exist for that reason. So if you're in 5th and you need to get past someone, so you floor it, it will downshift. It's not going to lock itself in any gear. Another thing, with the 9-speed, 2nd and 3rd gear are essentially the same exact gear. What do I mean? I'm in 3rd right now. I'm going to downshift. Listen closely. I'm in 3rd at 3,500 RPM exactly. Now I'm at 4,000. It's only about 300 to 400 RPM difference between them. The way the all-wheel drive just pulls you through corners is absolutely amazing. But you know what? The Buick Enclave might be, well, no, it is one of my favorite GM products on sale today. On that note, I want to say thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.